Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures trading lower by 18.5 points to 29.14 per contract. All in all, it looks like the futures are down ticking a bit due to the fact that it looks like there could be a very good chance that tariffs will kick in this Friday. So it looks like China is sending some delegates over. They're going to try to work things out. But right now, futures are lower. So we'll see what we get. Friday will be a big day here. And we'll see where this market goes. But right now, the market don't seem to be too concerned. It's really not too panicky. It thinks the China deal will get done. And that really is the bottom line. So we'll see what it gives us. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's start off with the first one of the day, KLA 10 Core. KLAC is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now trading at $120.50 a share. Closed last night at $124.61. So this is a pretty good little haircut here. I'm looking for levels. I still think the 118 level is pretty decent, but really after that, you got to go much lower. So again, we'll be watching this one. We'll see how it plays out. But right now, KLA under a little bit of pressure. It's not getting crushed here, but it is down about 4 points from yesterday's close. Next up, we want to take a look at AIG. AIG right now trading at around $50. Stock has a lot of resistance around $50.50, so be careful. I don't see a whole lot of upside here, but nonetheless, it is upticking from yesterday's close, which was $47.11. This is a pretty decent move for AIG. So we'll see how it plays out, but again, I don't really think there's a lot of upside from here. Therefore, if you own it, trail the stop loss. Next up, we want to take a look at Hertz Global or Hertz Rent-A-Car. HTZ is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $19.82. Closed at $19.72, so it's basically flat. I don't really see a lot of upside here. I might be wrong, but I just don't see it in the charts, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But very little upside potential here for Hertz. Next up, I want to take a look at SeaWorld, or Seas as it's called, SEAS. Stock right now is trading at $25.61. It closed at $26.36. So you got a little bit of a downtick here. Again, nothing great, nothing terrible. We'll have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. There's not much I would do with it. I do think there's going to be some support if it sells off below the 23 level, right around 22.75. Anywhere down there, I think there'll be some support short term. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Let's take a look at Renner Center. RCII is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $24.90 a share. Closed at $25.05. So that's basically flat. Did have some after hours movement, and we'll see where it goes today. I'm not really sure I can make too much out of it. I don't see a lot of upside in this name regardless. So again, keep an eye on it. We'll see what it does once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at MNK, which is Mallinckrodt. Stock right now is trading at $17.40 a share. Closed at $16.39. Briefly went above 19, just couldn't hold it and came back down. So this has been a beaten down equity. So we'll see if it does hold up. Right now, there's still a lot of support down around the $15.50 and then $14 areas. So I'm not sure what to make out of this one. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at Ferrari. Ticker symbol is RACE, the race car. Right now, the stock right now is trading at $138.70. Closed last night at $132.33. So there's a good little pop. Ferrari has upside to around $141.75, maybe $142. I do think it stalls out there, and we'll see how it plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at AGN, which is Allergan. This stock right now trading at around $147 a share, closed at $147.75. A lot of support at $139 still. Not much I would do with it at the moment. Let's take a look here at EMR, which is Emerson. The stock right now trading at $67.25, closed at $70.15. So when I look at this one, I don't see anything all that great, but there's nothing all that terrible here either. So again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I'll try to work out some levels here, see if we get anything good. One level that does strike me right off the bat, though, is around 66.50. If it got to 66.50, I do like it there. Maybe 66.25, right in that vicinity. Stock looks pretty solid, like it has pretty solid support. Let's take a look at Mosaic. MOS is the ag company. Stock right now is trading at $24.50, closed at $25.27. This is a tough one. There is some support just below 24. I don't really see much here, so I'd be careful with this one. Let's take a look at Regeneron, REGN, Big Bio. Stock is trading at 355, closed at 344. So you got a little bit of a haircut. I don't think there's much downside to this one. Next up, want to take a look at Budweiser, BUD. I think this was on the back of earnings. There we go. So this is trading at 87.51, closed at 87.77. Yeah, nothing we would do with it. We'll keep it on the radar today. A lot of support around the 82.40 level if it gets there. So keep that on the radar. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down $3 to $1,280.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, that's trading at 120.85. So again, gold down just a hair. We're not going to make too much out of it right now, but we will keep it on the radar. Crude oil pulling back again today, down 71 cents to $61.54. When you take a look at crude, and we'll use it via the USO, a little bit of a haircut here. We don't want to make too much out of it. The one level I think I see for the USO would be down around $12.36. So we'll see how that plays out. But nothing I would do with it at the moment. So we'll see where we go. All right, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Check it out. Trade right alongside of us. We got lots of moving parts out here today. We got a big gap down. And we'll see where this market takes us. With that being said, everybody, take it slow, take it steady, take it one day at a time. And again, should be lots and lots of trades out here. We still really have earnings season for another couple of weeks, and we're getting lots and lots of moving parts. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.